开始。
Today we are talking about paragraph is talking about I think this is the between of the black hole and the event horizon. Okay, they think that this is not the classical cosmology dictated by the Einstein general series. This is concerned the cosmos in phase and size of the atom. And I think the universe is like the gravity device is like a electron circling. And next, they are saying that the quantum cosmology is difficult enough. But they have said that the even horizon is trap many things, even the light. They say that the space has expand accumulated and the black hole will through the accumulated and more bigger. And even the event horizon. But they say about that they have the between about the event horizon and black hole. And first black hole, they say that they will evaporate always the radiation and matter. But the cosmic event horizon also will discharge these things, but they will reabsorb these things and also get the energy from that. And but they also understand that why the black hole and the event horizon will warm up. Okay, and after they also to discover that they think that you don't need to use the 3 dimension to see that. You need to use 2 dimension to see that. And the entropy is what the space we say, but it is not the three dimension you see. So they think space is not from the fundamental law. And they think this cosmology horizon is as same as the formula in the black hole. But they can't get the radiation from the cosmos horizon. And they say it is difficult. They think that they need to try that to see the try to get the energy from the event horizon, and they will be more know about this between of these two. But they also say it's not a 3 dimension.
OK，我开麦克风好用。OK, today's paragraph is talking about black hole and our universe, and a lot of theory between the black hole and our universe. Okay, first, the scientists say black hole is maybe a ball have a event horizon. Inside is a black hole, and the black hole can let everything get in, and you can't get out, and the thing get in surface is event horizon. And it is explained like our universe. Our universe also has an event horizon. It is two things that is very similar, they said. Yeah. And they oh, and in the black hole, space-time is collapsed in its, yes, and oh, and they said Hawking showed the black hole is not completely black, and there is something can make radiation and make something and matter and radiation and get out, so it may not be very dark, and we can know something in that radiation from the black hole. Yeah. And it contains something. Yeah. Yeah. And if black hole can disappear, it against the rule of quantum mechanics, so it have not the same theory. Yes, and okay. Oh, and there's another theory, maybe the same. I don't know. Yeah, it's a quantum gravity that can describe black hole should be formulated not in an ordinary three special dimension that all other physics theory, but instead two-dimension of space. It means the theory can describe it in the two-dimension because three-dimension cannot be explained for some phenomenon. Yes, and it has mentioned the entropy, and yeah, I think it is a interesting thing. I have never seen it before, yeah, but it is. And it points to a more general understanding of holographic principle, which is, and it is very different from our real universe, because it is just saying the black hole and our universe. It is not the same stimulate. Yeah, maybe. And and they have think some ways to see the whole black hole is to stand out of the universe and view it from outside, but there's no way we can stand outside the universe. But they have found that you can make a not real. It's like it's like accelerating universe, and you can see how it is working. Yeah, and they and they have to find some rules about the the black hole and our universe. Yes. Yes.